What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. Here are four stocks I'm looking at for tomorrow, Wednesday, December 21st. We're going to kick it off with NVIDIA. All of these I'm looking for moves up. We've had huge sell-offs, as you see, NVIDIA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's ultimately 6 days down. Today missed being another red day from open to close by about 21 cents, right? But compared to the previous day, we did not close above the previous day's close. So for the day, red day or green day for the day, open and close, but compared to the previous day, still red, still moving down. But we do have a trend line that we've established clearly with our lows here. Looking for a bounce up. We also finished today with a doji. All right, so we had a doji candle at the trend line after the downtrend. Might be a little seller's exhaustion, which could bounce us back up. Ultimately, with us coming to this level, we previously see that we've had some interaction. We've come down, bounced up, come down, and come down here. All right, so for my alert, I want to take out higher day, which is 163.10. I'm going to set 163.15. Look for a move above that and a close above it for me to go ahead and look at calls and see if I can start riding the wave back up. Let's go over the lows. Hammer at support, 1, 2. So a pin bar at support, bullish. I'm looking for a bounce here as well. We see we've had another sell-off, which is kind of easy to identify because we see we have the clear resistance here. And now we have a clear support here. Last time we came, bounce, bounce. So now we're looking for another bounce here as well, right? Looking for it to go over 202.25 for a move up. And we close the gap. Gap's at 203.17. And we can see a move back up at least to 209. If we can start getting a little kick in, a little early Christmas rally for the market. McDonald's, same thing. Move down, starting to curve back up. So we missed the inside day by about 13 cents. But I'm still going to treat it as such and look for a break above the previous day's high, which is 268.42. I'm going to go 268.50 for me to look at us going back up on McDonald's. And then Microsoft, stock number 4, Microsoft again, another move down, coming out and bouncing at this area that's previously been a pretty heavy demand. We see that we've been bouncing out of here, right? Bounced here and bounced here as well. So now I'm looking at the same possibility here. Microsoft, just like the last stock we looked at, did miss the inside day by about 30 cents. So not an inside day technically, but still looking at trading it on a break above the high, which was 242.91. So I'm gonna go 242, I'm gonna go 243, because that's gonna be a key level just off the round number. Wait for a break and close, preferably on a 15-minute time frame, and then take that on up to 245.25. So I'm gonna set that here. I want to go to about 245.21, 245.25, and then potentially move on up with the Santa Claus rally. So those are 4 stocks I'm looking at. We trade every single day, live trade, live classes in the Discord, links in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe so I can keep putting these out. Y'all be easy. Y'all go make some money so y'all can get these Christmas presents.